Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Vacuum. Guys, let's see second problem of the weekly contest 494. Construct uniform parity array. Second, you are given an array nums1 of n distinct integers. You want to construct another array nums2 of length n such that elements is num2 is either all odd or all even. In this question, we are given an array nums1 and we need to convert it into get a nums2 array such that all the elements in nums2 are all odd or all even. The operations are if we can choose in these two we can choose any one operation in these two possible operations. First one is we simply copy nums1 into the nums2, and other one is we can subtract, we can get nums2 of I equals to nums1 of I minus nums1 of j, where I and j are not equal, and nums1 of I minus nums1 of j is greater than or equal to 1, so that the difference between the nums1 minus nums1 of j should be greater than or equal to 1. So, and return true if it is possible to construct such an array, otherwise return false. So as like the previous question, we will be using the odd variable to count the number of odds we have used before, but in this video we will be using we will be finding out the minimum odd value, because we want this greater than or equals to 1. So we will be choosing minimum odd value. We are focusing only on odd because we will because even minus odd value will give us an odd value, and odd minus odd value will give us even value. So if we will firstly we will check for the even. If we can convert all the numbers into an even numbers, then we will check for odd numbers, because odd values are the ones, if the value is different, then we can use this odd variable to make it even or odd. So let's look at the code here. We will initialize minimum odd as an int max, and we will check if nums2 if nums1 of I is an odd value, and we will get the minimum of these two values. If answer We will check for even values. Answer possible will be true. We will iterate over this array nums1, and if the current value is odd value, then we need to convert it into an even value. Then we will check if numbers of I minus minimum odd is less than 1. It means if a condition is not satisfied, we should be the difference should be greater than or equal to 1. We will simply just assign answer possible equals to false and break from that. And if answer possible is true, we will return true. Then we will check for the odd numbers. If the current number is even number, then we will try to convert it into an odd number by subtracting an odd number. So the minimum odd will be -1. Minimum odd value, if it is less than 1, we don't need to consider the cases where there is odd number or not, because we have initialized to int max. If we don't have any odd numbers, this condition will always be false. So answer possible will be false, and we will break. In the end, we will return this answer possible. So the time complexity will be big of n, and the space complexity will be big. Time complexity will be big of n, and space complexity will be big of 1. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.